If there is something noticeable in the graph which you want to put up as the striking feature, you can use words such as remarkably, comparatively, dramatically, approximately, and apparently. If you are contrasting and comparing something, and at the same time you are placing too many words into consideration, and you want to be specific about the group or the category of them, then you can use for comparison words like relatively. If you are using more than two or three values in a discussion and you have placed all the values in consequence to each other, then you should use the word after words as respectively. So if you say UK, US, and Germany or China, and you have placed all the values in consequence to each other, then you should use the word after words as respectively. So if you say UK, US, and Germany or China, and then you use the values such as 3%, 4%, 8%, and 9%, then you should use the word respectively after that. It would give your readers a clear idea as to which value has been mentioned for which country. Considerably is again something when you are putting something into discussion as a comparison. Moderately also comes into comparison area. So if you are comparing figures or comparing values, you can use the words considerably or moderately. Similarly, words like closely also gives a clear idea about the value term mentioned. If there's a variation in the graph, or if there's a variation in the pie chart that you are comparing, you can use for any fluctuating value as fluctuate. If it remains same, you can use words like constant, stable. If there is a constant growth in some areas, you can say that is the dominating feature. If suddenly we see